And this one, there we go.
Yep.
Bags, and straight around over here. It's in the warehouse, of course. I mean, the best thing would have been changing fluids and all that before we fire. I just want to hear everything for you.
You see the exhaust actually comes out both sides?
Yeah.
Yeah, got duals.
That's got a nice
sound. That sounds nice.
It's a nice pipe.
That's pretty good from just sitting there and just hooking the battery up for it to pop like that. So.
Can you actually turn it on and like turn a turn signal on? I just want to see if the brake plate actually has them in it or not. Yep.
Yeah, she's integrated, all right.
Yep.
One touch off.
Yep.
Yeah, those are nice. I had one of those on my CBRs before.
Yeah, I got that in the ZX6R too.
Got your passing light here.
Okay.
That's the one there when you want to get up behind somebody.
Oh, like the lights flash?
You think the lights are on until it's are they on?
Yep.
So you just hit that button?
Oh yeah, yep.
Just get the hell out of my way.
Gotcha.
Beautiful.